Je vais mettre juste là. Bon, c'est très bien. I really think that our American friends should not understand the decision taken by France to have its own national taxation of digital activities as any willingness of targeting the American companies. That's not the case. We are not willing to target the American companies. We are just willing to have a fair and efficient taxation of digital activities.
Vous êtes confiant dans le fait qu'un accord peut être effectivement atteint?
We all know that in the 21st century, value will be created by data. And you have important companies, either American, European, or Chinese, which are benefiting from the sale of data, huge amount of data. And they are not submitted to the same level of taxation as other companies, including SMEs, small companies. This is not fair, and this is not efficient. So we want to address this issue, and we want to address this issue hand in hand with our American friends. I really think that we should not mix the two issues. You have on the one side the question of trade tariffs on wines, either the European wines or the American wines, and you have on the other side the question of digital taxation. And clearly we should not mix the two issues. On the question of trade tariffs, there are trade tariffs on American wines. There are also trade tariffs on French or European wines. The fact is that during the last 10 years, there has been a very important increase of the importation of American wines to Europe. That's a fact. So please do not mix the two issues. The key question now is not the question of trade tariffs on wine. The key question is how can we get a consensus on this issue of digital activities and fair taxation of digital activities. You have many huge companies, some of the biggest companies of the world, having activities in France or in Europe without any physical presence and without paying the due level of taxes. And we want to address that issue. And our assessment is that it is also in the interest of our American friends, in the interest of the United States, to reach that consensus on a fair taxation of digital activities. Ce que nous souhaitons vivement, c'est que nos amis américains puissent parvenir avec nous à cet accord qui est dans l'intérêt collectif sur la taxation des activités digitales. Laissons de côté la question des tarifs douaniers, c'est une question qui est totalement différente et nous ne pensons pas qu'il soit de bonne politique de mélanger ces deux sujets. Je veux rappeler enfin, avec beaucoup de fermeté, qu'il n'a jamais été dans l'intention de la France de cibler spécifiquement des compagnies américaines.